Are you ready to make your money work for you, even while you sleep? That's the magic of dividend investing, getting paid just for owning a slice of a great company. But for new investors, it can sound complicated. That's where Stash comes in. Stash is designed to simplify investing, making it the perfect platform for building a powerful dividend portfolio. Today, we're breaking down the simple steps to start dividend investing with Stash and how to supercharge your growth using their key features. The first step is simply getting money into the game. Because Stash offers fractional shares, you don't need hundreds of dollars to buy a single share of stock. You can start investing with just a few dollars. Once your Stash account is funded, your strategy will depend on whether you want to pick your own stocks or have Stash do the work for you. If you prefer the hands-on approach in your personal portfolio, look for companies or ETFs that have a history of paying regular dividends. Stash makes this easy by showing you the dividend yield right on the investment page. Select your investments, decide how much you want to buy, even if it's just a small fraction of a share, and hit buy. For a completely hands-off strategy, you can use Stash's Smart Portfolio. This is their automated, or robo-advisory, service. Based on your risk profile, the Smart Portfolio automatically builds a diversified mix of investments, and yes, that mix includes dividend-paying investments. Now for the real secret sauce, the Dividend Reinvestment Plan, or DRIP. A dividend is typically paid out as cash into your account. But with DRIP, that cash is automatically used to buy more shares of the same stock or ETF that paid it. This is how you harness the power of compounding. When your dividends buy more shares, those new shares then earn their own dividends, and the snowball effect begins. Here's how to set up DRIP in your Stash personal portfolio. Just log into the app, go to your personal portfolio, tap the settings gear, and look for the Dividend Reinvestment Program to turn the feature on. If you are using a Stash retirement or custodial account, or the Smart Portfolio, dividends are automatically reinvested, so you don't have to lift a finger. So, to recap your dividend journey on Stash. Fund your account with as little as a few dollars, taking advantage of fractional shares. Invest by either manually picking dividend stocks and ETFs in your personal portfolio, or by using the automated Smart Portfolio. Turn on DRIP in your personal portfolio to automatically reinvest your earnings, or enjoy automatic reinvestment in your Smart Portfolio or retirement accounts. By consistently investing and reinvesting your dividends, Stash gives you the power to build a growing source of passive income, all from the palm of your hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.